Hi! Today we will learn about the basic crochet stitches. First, I will be using a 3.75mm hook and then milk cotton yarn. Let's start with making a slip knot and then doing the foundation chain. Chain 6. Let's do the single crochet by inserting your hook into the back loop of the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through. Then we can make a second row, chain 1 and then turn, insert your hook into the chain and then do the same process for the single crochet. We will be doing 3 rows just to show you how it looks like. Then we can just chain 1 and then cut the yarn. So we'll see how it looks like. Next off, we'll be doing the same thing for the half double crochet. Let's chain 6 for the foundation chain, but instead of directly inserting your hook into the back loop, you have to yarn over and then insert your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the back loop, and then yarn over and pull through 3 loops or all of the loops. Okay, again, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the back loop, and then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is how you do the half double crochet. For the second row, we will just do the same thing with a single crochet by chaining 1, but make it a long chain, and then turn and then yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. This is how it looks like. It's a bit higher or bigger than the single crochet piece. And then let's start the double crochet by chaining, instead of 6, we'll be chaining 7. And then yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop of the 3rd chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through both loops. And then to make the next row, you will have to do 2 chains at the end of the row. Chain 2, then turn, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We will just be doing 2 rows for the double crochet just to show you how it looks like. So here it is, just cut the yarn and we're done. Thank you for watching.